Alright guys, so today I'm going to talk about Binance Dual investment. Some of you asked me this question, whether Binance Dual investment worth it or not. Now, if you look at here, there is this dual investment. If you go to your Binance Earn, or if you go to here, more, and then you will see this thing called Earn. And then you can see there is dual investment there. If you look at the APR, it looks very promising, right? It looks great, 140%, 137%, which is, it looks really good. But is it really worth it? Now I'm gonna discuss it here. First of all, you need to understand how this works. There's tutorial. Also, I will put a link down below for you to watch this video. This video explained it very well. So I want you to understand the video first, and then we're gonna try this together. Let's say I want to buy BTC. Okay, I want to buy low here at the bottom because right now we are in the bear market. I want to buy low. So I would put my USDT, and then if it hit this target price, and the time, you can see the cutoff time is 30th of August 2022. Right now is 27th of August 2022. So 3 more days. What I'm hoping that Bitcoin doesn't drop below 20k. Okay, the problem, the disadvantage, if let's say Bitcoin dropped to, okay, let's say in 3 days it drops to 18k. Okay, for example, you only buy at 20k. Did you see the problem there? This is called impermanent loss, because you subscribe to it, although you get the 136% APR, but if Bitcoin drop below 20k, you are losing 2,000 difference. Okay, so okay, I will show an example. Let's put $100 together. We're gonna use this target price 20,000, and let's put $100 here. You can see the offer view. So if it is above 20k, I will receive $101. Okay, they have the preview for you. You can see if I put $1,000, if Bitcoin is above 20,000, it will not execute the buy. Okay, it will not execute the buy. But if it go below 20,000, you can click it. I will receive this much. Okay, 0.05. But at the price of 20,000, guys. Okay, so if it drop below 20,000 too much, I'm losing a better deal. Okay, I hope you understand that. Let me change this $100. Okay, you can see although the APR is high, is $1, practically I can get like 1%, 1.1% return in just 3 days, which is awesome. Okay, I will just click next. Auto compound. Take the advanced. No, I don't want auto compound. Don't do that. Next. Current BTC price, APR. Okay, I understand. So make sure you understand everything, guys, before you do anything. Let me confirm this. So, okay, you can see my other things that I'm staking. So right now we're gonna see together. Okay, right now I only have 912. Okay, let's screenshot this together, and we're gonna see the result in 3 days and see what's gonna happen. So let me explain to you one more time, guys. Okay, let's say if we are buying BTC, just now if we put $100 here, you can see that if it goes below 20k, we only receive 0.005 BTC. What if it goes down to 18,000? We could have accumulated more Bitcoin. Okay, for the calculation, is 100 divided by 20,000. We only get 0.005, right? If Bitcoin goes down to 18,000 instead, we get more. We get 0.0055 So we accumulate more Bitcoin, guys. And this difference, okay, let me show you this difference, 0.005. Okay, this much different, if we multiply by 18,000, so we actually profit $10 instead of this one, $1. So it is 10x. So this is why when I want to buy low, I expect Bitcoin doesn't hit 20K at that expired date. Okay, I expect it not to go below 19K. Okay, it would be losing opportunity buying Bitcoin at lower price. Okay, that's what it means. The same thing when if we want to sell high, right? If you want to sell high, for example, if you want to sell here, let's say if you want to sell at 50K, we don't want the we just want the APR. Okay, we don't want it to actually hit it. Let's say if it hit it, I mean, if it hit it just nice, it would be great. But if hit it at this price, you know, we could sell Bitcoin with more profit, right? So much more profit. So again, it really depends on you. If you can read the chart, I think it's much more profitable. If you cannot read the chart, maybe, just maybe this is, you know, it's a good idea too. Again, it really depends. If you cannot look at the chart, but I think if you are using bot, is much better trading using bot rather than using this dual investment. You just use bot for the spot trading. It's much better.
The next day.
Alright guys, so you can see here when I show you my USDT, we actually get the $101 as you can see right there. And if you look at the BTC price, it's actually hitting above 20,000. Okay, in August 30th, if you look at here, in August 30th, it's actually above 20K. As I mentioned, right here you can see the screenshot, right? If it's above 20, we get the 100% APR, and then which is the $1 profit from the APR. Okay, you know, if we go back to earn, you can see at the bottom here, I also have another one. This one, it expire. Okay, you can see the cutoff time in September 2nd. Okay, the APR is 151%. So this one actually I sell Bitcoin. Okay, I sell. So I expect this to go up. So for example, right now, if you look at my PC, okay, let's say BTC is 20K. Okay, let's say right now it's 20K. For example, I want to sell BTC. So what I can do, I can buy $1,000 of BTC right now. Okay, I just buy it in a peer-to-peer. Okay, I can go to P2P here. I bought 1,000 of BTC. Okay, I go to peer-to-peer, and then I bought $1,000 of BTC, for example, and then I go to more, and then earn BTC, a dual investment. So I want to sell high. I can subscribe. So I can find something like this. For example, today is 20K. So maybe in 3 or 4 days, you can see the target price is 20K 500. So I can choose this one, for example, and then I can enter the amount of BTC. So first, when you bought this, okay, you bought this, you convert it to BTC first. Okay, you convert it to BTC, and you probably could get, you know, as the time of this recording, probably you get 0.05, right? And then if you get 0.05, you can see if BTC goes up, okay, you can see the price right there. If it goes up to 20,500, I get $33 profit, correct? Because, you know, my initial investment is just 1,000. Okay, and I bought 0.05 BTC with the 1,000. So if it goes up, I make money. The only thing that I will regret if it is go up by 20,000 100. Okay, so I could have made more by manually selling it, or if it goes to 21,000 or maybe higher. Okay, so that's in a form of regret. But what if it goes down? What if BTC goes down? You can see here below, if it goes down, you know what? The BTC that you bought will also get 140% APR, okay, which is 140%. Just now was 140%. Sometimes you can even get 200%. You divide it by 365 days and you multiply by 4 days. Okay, since this is 4 days, so you get 1% return for your BTC in 4 days, which is not bad. Okay, not bad. Really, really not bad. Again, the only regret you will have if it goes down to maybe 18K or 17K BTC. Because with this $1,000, you can actually buy so much more BTC. Okay, more than this percentage. So again, I think this is good if you cannot read the market. Okay, if you are not sure, if you are very newbie, and also if you want to guarantee profit, probably this is a good one. Okay, because you win either way. And of course, if you accumulate BTC, you must believe that BTC will go back up, and then you will sell in profit after it goes up. Okay, if it goes down now, maybe in 2 to 3 months later it goes up, then you can sell it at a profit. Again, this is just a factor of timing. Okay, you could have made more money, or you can make money that is, it's a guarantee. It's not really a guarantee. It's like a safer way to make money. I hope this video helped. Again, you can make a lot of strategy, tactic. With this, you can implement your own strategy. There are so many ways you can do this. And there is even this slowly rotating the money. There are many ways, guys. You can be very creative with this strategy.